So I am wrapping up with the holidays, and I have had 3 kids at home. And it has been so fun, but it has been a lot. So everything is kind of just in disarray here at my house. I don't know about you, but I always have a place in the house that I like to start. And for some reason, I like to start cleaning up in my basement. I don't know why. Maybe because it's really not that dirty, and so it seems easy. And then as I move up the floors, especially to the living room and kitchen, it just gets to be so messy and so overwhelming. I'm gonna start here in the basement. Let me know what part of the home that you like to start with. Is it your kitchen, your basement, your bedroom? What do you find the easiest? And let me know in the comments. All right, let's get started. Here we go. So that literally took me about 3 minutes to clean up this whole area. I'm gonna keep working on the basement, and you keep working on your project at your house. Two minutes to clean up this little fitness area. Let's keep working. All right, I'm just gonna give you a real dose of my reality. So remember that I told you that I have kids home from college. So literally it was just 10 minutes ago, maybe 20, that I cleaned up this basement. You saw me clean up this basement. Well, here is my son's stuff, again, just on the floor. His workout rolly thing, his workout medicine ball, whatever, his shirt. So do we as moms ever win? I don't know. We all know this from raising young kids, that you clean and they make a mess. Well, I want to let you know that it continues up until their teen years. So just buckle down and get ready. Reality, people, this is reality. All right, moving on to the guest room. So over the holidays, our house has been a bit discombobulated. Our second son had knee surgery, so we've had to change rooms up. So my husband has been sleeping down here in the guest room. I have been in my office, and then our son has been in our bedroom because it's on the main floor and it's so much easier for him to access the bathroom, the living room, the kitchen. So we wanted to make sure that he was very comfortable during this time. But I'm gonna straighten up this room for my husband so that when he gets off work, he has a comfortable place to stay. Let's do it. Let's see how long it takes. I'm guessing 5 minutes for this space. All right. Right, this room is cleaned up, and that literally took me 5 minutes. Now, I'm not doing a deep clean. I am just getting things tidied up in the home so that my brain can function better. I don't know about you, but I am definitely of the personality that my area reflects what's going on in my mind. So if my house is a bit chaotic, my mind is a bit chaotic. How many of you have that same thing going on? Please let me know in the comments, because we are definitely kindred spirits. All right, guest room, bathroom that my husband's using. Let's just give it a quick wipe down. Okay, bathroom is done. This probably took me also 5 minutes. Moral of the story, there's a lot you can get done in 5 minutes. Let's go upstairs and see what's going on the main floor. Let's just take a minute from cleaning and do a cat break. This is Kennedy. He's 11 years old, and we have another cat, Mozart. He's our motivation. Here's our second cat, Mozart. Again, another little cat break before we get started on the dining room and living room. Say hi to Mozart. Here is what the current situation is in my dining room and my kitchen. We have a pile of laundry here to do. And if you look way back in the kitchen, it looks like there are a stack of dishes also to be done. So let's keep working. Let's keep body doubling. and you get your work done. I'm going to keep working on my work. Let's go. Laundry is done. I just like to say how nice it is doing my housework with you. I hope that you are finding so much motivation. I know that I am just by having you here. So let's keep working. Let's keep finishing up. I'm going to move on to the kitchen next. So I have to admit that I am really getting tired. And I understand that these whole house cleans cannot always be accomplished in one day. I have to finish the kitchen, but I have the luxury tonight of going out to dinner. How do you reward yourself after you've accomplished so much in your house? I would love to hear that in the comments. But like many moms during the holiday season, you are just in the kitchen, like myself, making breakfast, making lunches, making dinners. So I am going to bask in the awesome glory that this kitchen is going to get cleaned right now, and it's going to stay clean until 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Well, friends, today is a new day. I finished cleaning my kitchen last night. It looked great. I enjoyed going out to dinner with my family. It was lovely. And now it's time to finish up. This is my office, and this is where I have been sleeping for the past week and a half while my son has been recovering from his knee surgery. And if any of you have been through a surgery or have had a family member go through a surgery, it's so important to be close by. My office is quite a mess. I don't generally sleep in here, but I'm gonna get to it, get this cleaned. I'm thinking it might take maybe 20 minutes or so. I finally got the basement done, the bathrooms done, the laundry done, the kitchen done, the living room done, the office done. So cheers to always having more laundry, to always having more dishes. It's not gonna stop. But join me to not be perfect, but to just get things done. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.